Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making our taco pizzeria. So the very first thing that we want to do here, we need to saute some sliced mushrooms. We're going to let those start to work. Okay, at this point, our mushrooms are where we want them. So we're going to let those set aside. Now we're going to begin cooking our sausage. Okay, once our sausage is mostly cooked like this, you just want to kind of continue to break it up a little bit with your spoon. You're going to make some room, and we're going to add in our oregano. We have our sliced pepperoni. We're going to get it nice and crisp. All right, at this point now, we're ready to add in our sauce. We're going to reduce the heat down. Add our mushrooms back in. All right, at this point, this is basically done. The only other thing that I'm gonna do before we plate it up is I'm gonna add some of the cheese that we were gonna use to top it into the dish. That way you get a little bit of the cheese that has melted in. We're gonna go ahead and use some of our fresh chopped basil. We're just gonna stir all this together now. And all that's left to do at this point is to plate this up in our taco shells. And you can top it with a little bit of ricotta cheese and a little bit more of the shredded cheese and your fresh basil. And that's all there is to it. All right, at this point, all that's left to do is to plate this up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.